Hey Bob, Michael. So, pardon my very crude drawing here. This is the room, this is the entrance, this is the front. Abby's right here, the big A. This is the table where the stereo equipment goes. This is supposed to be an AC outlet. Electricity is right here in the wall. The speakers go one here and one here on that side of the room. So we're going to run cables, on the back side of everything over here to the sound table. Now, the speaker connections, yeah, um, all I want to show is it's this metal phono jack thing here. I plugged these in the first time around and then had to undo them. So that's all I want to show you there. Um, so let me stop this thing for a second. Yeah, so actually that makes sense. So this is the amplifier. We plug the speakers in here. Of course, it has a power cord. Um, and by the way, the hotel gave us an extension cord to go in here. You may have to ask them to do that. Um, so that's the amplifier, and then this is the mixing board. So these are the connections from the amp. Well, no, these are the connections from the amplifier. Sorry. And then here's the wireless mics, which is another setup. And then you need to stack one of these things in here so that this is just RCA to phono jack, and this is so we can play music and or you can plug it into Abby's computer when she runs videos. So this is from the amplifier to here, and then to here, and then this is wireless mics, and that's them right there. Here's the connectors. This is power. Here's two antennas. And then the mics you'll see, we just need to stick a battery in them. In fact, that's them right there. You stick a battery in them, you test them, and they're controlled here, so we have to turn this, and please don't, that volume's all the way up. But you can test the mics just by doing this volume here, and here's a master control for the volume as well. Yeah, and the volume for the mics needs to be turned up somewhat. Amplifier settings, each knob at +8. Settings, right, so this is the mixture for the mics, this is the mixture for the sound, the DVD, whatever. Yeah, and that's it. So, I mean, it's for what you've done, it's very simple, but it's, the input comes into the soundboard, then it runs into the amplifier, or the input for the wireless mics comes into the amplifier. Sorry, I'm saying this backwards. The input for the wireless mics comes to the soundboard so you can control it. Everything gets run from the wireless mics. Everything gets run from the soundboard into the amplifier and then out to the speaker. So anyway, and I'll try and be up and have my phone on Friday. So if you run any questions, you can give me a quick call. But again, this hopefully that explains it. If you look at this and you're like, I didn't explain something clearly, let me know, and we can talk before you get out there. And I usually try to get there like at 8:30 or 8:45 to give myself a little head start in getting this set up. And that's it. Thanks, Bob. Talk to you soon.